Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I wanted to do makeup that was inspired by Beetlejuice. I'm gonna say this before we actually get into the makeup, but I'm not trying to do Beetlejuice makeup. Like, I don't want to do makeup where I look like Beetlejuice himself. I'm more so doing just makeup that is inspired by the essence or vibe of the movie Beetlejuice. You know what I mean? One of the main reasons that I even wanted to do this makeup look was because of the Beetlejuice lip trend. I don't know if you guys have seen it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of the brow process because I want to make them maroon or a little bit purplish. I've just glued down my brows with my got2b styling spiking glue. I love this stuff. If you do lay your brows down and you're not using this, you're missing out. It's literally the best product ever. It gets my brows literally so incredibly flat. Do y'all see that? They're flat against my head. Can you see it? Anyways, usually when I fill in my brows, I use either a black shade or a brown shade, but today we're going to be using pretty much a mix of this shade and this shade together because I just want my brows to have a bit of a purpley tint to it. So let's start filling them in. I'm gonna film the other one off camera and I'm gonna carve it off camera, and I'll be back once my brows are done. Hi guys, so I just finished with the brows and I don't know, I'm just gonna hope for the best for the ending result. I'm gonna start with my eyeshadow kind of. So I'm gonna take the same shade that I used for my brows, the darker shade, and I'm gonna take a tiny bit of this and I'm literally gonna put it on my eyelid. That's it, like nothing else, just on my eyelid. Okay guys, hey y'all, I did my base and I'm just a little bit, I guess you could say antsy. I just don't know how I'm gonna do this next part of my makeup look, but we're gonna do it. Hopefully y'all can see it, because usually when I'm doing my eyeliner, y'all can't see it. So I'm gonna try my best to make sure y'all can see it. It looks a little silly. Let's just keep going, you guys. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and then I'll be back to do the rest with y'all. Okay guys, so actually this eyeliner ended up super cute. Look at it, look at it. I hope you guys got a decent clip of me doing it. I just kind of straightened it out and I made sure that, like, I don't know if you guys can see, but I made it curve a little bit more. Anyways, to make this seem a little bit more, I guess you could say, realistic, I'm gonna take this black liner and I'm gonna line just like right here in my eye. Now it looks fully black in there. So now we're gonna move on to the next part of the makeup, which in this case, we're gonna make this like little weird bruisey thing. Okay, it's not a bruise. It's not a bruise, but Beetlejuice has these like, he has these like little splotches of green on him, and I'm sorry you guys, I think I'm traumatized by the color green because I've done that 𝐒𝐞𝐬𝐬 look, and then after that I did that brat makeup look, and I don't know what it is, y'all. I just can't stand green as of right now. So that's one of my main dilemmas with this look, because you know Beetlejuice is green. I mean, we all know that he has so much green in his whole character design, but I'm sick and tired of the green. So we're gonna mainly focus on like the dark reddish purpley colors and blacky colors that he has a lot of, but we still do need to incorporate a little bit of green. So I thought that it would be the perfect opportunity to make this little weird effect on my face. So good at explaining everything to you guys, so we're gonna do that. So first I'm gonna take like maybe a little bit of this yellowy color and I'm gonna just start patching this everywhere on my skin. And then we're gonna take a tiny bit of this purpley color, and I'm literally gonna be blotching these colors like all over my face, just in this one little area. Maybe a little bit of pink, just like this. It's gonna look better as I, you know, continue to blend stuff in, but allow me to do that, and you know, I'll talk to y'all once I, you know, fully finished this. Okay, so y'all kind of see that. I might try to emphasize some more colors or whatever, but I do want to put maybe one more swatch right here. So I'm gonna do that off camera, and I'll come back once I finish this on up. I'm gonna show you how I do some fake freckles. So I take this little stipple brush. It's actually a really old MAC brush. It's my mom's MAC brush, and I don't know if you guys can see the texture of that, but it's like, look, it's like this weird stipple brush. See, it's like a weird little stipple brush. You can take anything. I'm gonna take some setting spray, and I'm gonna spray this brush just a little bit. Okay, just needs to be wet. Now I'm gonna go into a palette, and then I'm gonna take a mix of these two colors, okay? And then I'm gonna dot this all over my face. See, they're super fine. They're almost not there, but they're there. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit more. Not too much, but just a little bit. That's enough for me, I think. Yeah, that's how I do my little freckles. I'm gonna blend this little black out a little bit more under my eye, and then I'll do it on the other side, and then BRB. Y'all, this makeup look is not looking too good. I don't know how many steps I did without y'all, but now we're gonna be doing some highlighter stuff. I wanted to put a tiny bit of this right here on my eyelid, and I'm gonna put it just like right in this crease over here. To be completely, like, all the way honest, I hate this look. Like, I hate it. It's not ugly, but I do hate it a lot. Okay, I don't really know how to call this BeetleJuice makeup because it's not giving Beetlejuice. I don't know what it's giving, but it definitely is not giving Beetlejuice. But yeah, guys, I'm done with the makeup. I really hope that, you know, all of you guys enjoyed watching this video because I did not enjoy doing the makeup. Even though, you guys, I sat down for like 20 minutes just staring at myself because I didn't like my makeup. The best part about this makeup look definitely has to be the lips, and I hate the lips still. But yeah, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Follow me on all my different social medias. They will all be linked down below. Any products that I use from Yesstyle will also be linked down below. I think I used a glitter palette and a blush. Those will all be linked down below. I think it would be cuter if maybe I had on like a black shirt or a purple shirt. Thank y'all for watching if y'all made it this far. If you made it this far, comment this white heart emoji. I'll see you on my next video. Does this makeup give Beetlejuice? No, but I'm gonna still troll online and label it as Beetlejuice makeup so that then more people will say, oh my god, that's not Beetlejuice makeup. Okay, I'll see y'all later.